Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMLA Karanikor constituency uba Pius Marwen henin kasngi ka khatlai tarik urisa haringkat ka jingdon lang uba DG Nosin SDSEO Southwest Khas Hills District ulayo ban play yakiyeng school themai jongka khonjoy a upper primary school hakashnong khonjoy a Ranikor block Southwest Khas Hills District Hakani kasngi play yaka building themai jongka school laya sakhi lang nadu ki khna school ki nong hikai ki nong penjat school ki kme ki kpa bat ki pat ba jongka dongka than bat yakani ki yeng school lamang haka jinglot ka balai phnyau lak tingka Henry kalong ke aka basngo sarong ba u kontraktor ula pentrei bha yakani ki yeng school kabakat kum ka jingthmu ladei bantap dakiten Henry nakalyang uba te seng marang ula the sendon dagaslep ne dakamau kabala ne shi jiwnam Uba Pius Marwen haba ai jingkren hakani ka jelang ula penpau ya ka jing snokmen bat ai jingero kerpang ya u kontraktor uba te seng marang ubala pentre bha ya ka ne ka skul klemda perkhat ya ka jing yo nong yaladi nakabanta ki khna skul Haga juga por uba Pius ula ai jingero ru ya ka sarkar MDE kabala shim khia ban penyo ya ka mangtingka ya ki skul rem hapo ka jella Bad ulaya thu ru ba karani kor kalayo hadu hinyau tili ki skul sarkar ha ka ban pen bhaya ki
Most of the teachers, they will communicate to you what I have to say on this day. First of all, I congratulate the contractor who have beautifully constructed this school building for the benefit of our school going children. Actually, the school building in its original plan may be provided with a roof with a tin, but they have converted to cement. So it is very much appreciated for this great effort that you have shown towards the locality and especially to the young mind and gentle souls of this school. So I congratulate our contractor who have done this beautiful work. Then secondly, I would also like to express my greatest gratitude to our local MLA who from time and again and maybe have run all round the clock to bring about development and every issues that are concerned with the public in your constituency. I think you may not know me, but I also belong to this Ranikor constituency. I am from Rangthong, so you may not know me for the time being, but it's okay. You may call me Ba Dennis, don't say Ba Dennis, I am that name only, so you may know from now on. And then thirdly, I would like to just give a few hints, a few suggestions that every school's teachers, whether secondary or upper primary or lower primary, they should know, they should identify their jurisdiction. That means the jurisdiction, that means the control, no? Because sometimes you may address to the wrong person when you are in the other person. As to say, all LP schools and upper primary schools are under the jurisdiction of the SDSEO, formerly called DI, formerly, but now they are calling SDSEO. Okay, and from class 8 or class 9 level up to class 12, they fall under the DSEO. So you may know, you please note and keep some awareness also, because sometimes when we receive the letters, they address to the wrong designation, as to say. So please kindly help those teachers who are not aware the jurisdiction of their controlling officer, so that they may know the issues when they are concerning with them.
Ngadat musim laka hisukmen mataksi wan neha konjuai bangi yo ban play yaknika yen school kebat mah ka government LP school konjuai Ho kala don tengka building kayeng school kaba akpor kemansua ndrei kadon kecing namar ba kayeng school akpor ba ki school ki mak su ban yo ban lech kayeng school namar ba ka kajaka song ya kayeng school kalong kepala ka jom de ngirap ka mensim bersukmen mataksi ngakaliang ka government kabala ay ka sanction ya ka ni ka yung school ka ba lai punyolak bet ni ai pleru ya ka ni ka andi government kabala simkhya na kamta pen kentiu ya kini ki yung school jok ki government barok penyo ya ka repairing apo ka jelah yi barok ka wei bet ngasno ai ko be kerpang ba apo ka konsumsi ka jonga apo karanikor ngiyo new teli benyo ya ki school kum kane ka ba ni peli mentah di kitang don sa kiwe ki badangsa de umbangla tep ai ka jingkeren ya undang mentah ba ya kitu ki badangsa ru na kalian ka jongi rekat ba board of office ngin sapek ya kituru ba benyo bensna bah ya ka school katum ka cok kapor ka jingilong ka ba mentah mangitip ka pule ku peti kadai ka ba kongsan hakini kicok kapor tu mentah lada ngidon tangga school don yung school lu kalong ka ba bat ni sungu kemen ba kani ka sarkar kala sim kia benyo ban peru paro kani ka yung school ka badai apo ka government bat sa kawairu ba kinohi kairu ka ba ihap bandon baik ha ka to ka school tingi i ba kini sekolah kini kidong kithain ki jongi menta ba baro ki government school ba kino hikai ki yadon te kano kacing yarap na kamta ki longyeng longsem ki badok ki basuk kamtam kimla ki kimi ki pa kimla ban pasul school se jingai dei lengba kacing simkya jong kasokar ba menta ba ki kon ki ki jongki mu kila ban pa ya ki school ban yo ya ki jingang statang hapo kasino ki jongki tingis ngo ban ai ku bleiru na ikontraktor iba teseng marak mo ibala teribha ya kene ke yang school kumba PE ka kum ka sanction yung ba ngayo ya kali na i ba kadai ba ka jingtap jong katin ndrei kumba PE dara jong mat ba kini kane ngiyo ra ka slap mo kapala ne sirta ba ladangi one slap 1 euro tengin don syu ka jing dik mo kajing simkhya kajong i le se namal bai ini ba sai ru dei hi na po ka trai snong nang ni te lengba kajing tri bah kajong i ngai ba kiwi ki yung skulu kan bu ya kan nuksan mal kan ka kam ka ba ile am na kamta le se na kamta kano kamta ka ba yo nong mo dei na kamta ki lawe jong ki khna skul la ba ngiyo ya ka yung skul ka ba